So the weather is starting to get a bit cool now. So I'm going to review this jacket for you guys. This jacket is the black version, and inside, it has a layer. This layer is to help keep your body warm. You can easily wear this versatile jacket with simple and comfortable t-shirts inside, and it looks pretty nice as a stylish outer layer. Now I'll show you a close-up of the inner layer. This layer works to keep your body warm, and it also kind of adds some style, makes it fashionable. Look at the collar here. The collar it's sewn from this side all the way out to the outer collar, creating a style that looks pretty nice. Here, there are buttons so you can button it up. Or you can leave the buttons open for a different look. There are convenient pockets on both sides of the garment. Down here, there's also a pocket where you can put your hands in. Now I'll open it up so you can see the inside layer. I'll show you the fabric material. You can wear this jacket during the fall or even in winter to keep warm. It's not suitable for summer because the inner lining, this layer inside, will feel hot. This is size M, guys, size M. I'll zoom in to show you the sleeve part. This sleeve has a button. And on this sleeve, they've sewn it differently, guys. This layer is probably like when it gets water, like when you wash your hands and there's water, it won't be like this. This layer here. This layer is for water resistance, probably to keep out water, so you can button it up. The buttons look really nice. Guys, the buttons look good. Put your hand in.